Girl, I don't know. Pigmentation, where are you? Where are you? Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? I hope you all are doing great. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Help me hit 100k soon because we are so close to 100k and I just cannot wait to have a 100k strong family on YouTube. So if you want to support me, just simply hit the red subscribe button. With that, press the bell icon so you are notified whenever I have a new video up. Alright, so today's video is going to be a bit different. It's something that I don't usually do on my channel. I wanted to do this video so you guys have some clarity what products are good and what products are not worth buying or trying. So yes, today I will be sharing all the products that I did not enjoy using this year. I absolutely won't recommend these products at all. It's just not only me. I made my sister try out these products, a few actually, and she even did not like these products. So it's proven that these products do not work at all. So if you're interested to know what all products I don't like using at all, then you should definitely keep on watching. Okay, so here I have a few hair care, skincare and makeup products. I'll start by hair care. The first product that I have here, it's this one. This is from Ilansa and it's their Hair Nourish Olive Oil Shampoo. I believe this particular brand Ilansa is the sub-brand of Wow Skin Science. If I'm not sure, but I think it is a sub-brand. Alright, I'll talk about this. So I started using these because on the bottle it clearly says that it will help nourish my hair and it has olive oil, and my hair has been feeling very dry lately because it is very cold in Dehradun and hawa bahut dry hai. So I was looking for something or hair products like this that will help nourish my hair and do all that. I thought that मुझे एक ही range का shampoo conditioner use करना चाहिए to see if it actually makes a difference. And oh my god, you guys, these are not good at all. These do nothing actually. You know what? They actually made my hair more dry, which is crazy. It doesn't lather very well. Your hair and scalp doesn't feel squeaky clean after you are done washing your hair, and that's not a nice feeling. I like my hair to feel nice and fresh after I'm done washing my hair because you know that's the entire purpose of washing your hair with a good shampoo and conditioner. And these two, it's a big no. I wouldn't recommend you guys trying out these two hair care products because they aren't good, sweetie. The next product here is from Mama Earth. It is their Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron, and it says that it is for tan removal, and I don't know how to feel about that. I wanted to give this a try because I've seen so many people talking about how great this product is. मुझे अब ये नहीं पता जिसकी वीडियोस मैंने देखी हैं ये वो genuine recommendations थी या वो sponsored videos थे. But I did tend to try out this product. The minute I washed my face using this, I had rashes all over my face. I had this very bad burning sensation on my skin which was not nice at all. Let me tell you one thing. I don't have very sensitive skin. Sensitive है but इतनी भी sensitive नहीं है कि मैं एक product को use करूँ and first time पे ही I'll see a reaction. And I did not believe what happened to my skin after using this. Then I read the ingredient list and इसमें I saw that this face wash has walnut beads in it. I know there's a controversy all over the internet that walnut isn't good for the skin, especially walnut scrubs, because it might be very harsh on the skin. Because अगर ठीक से manufactured नहीं है walnut beads, the edges might be very rough and might cause some serious damage to the skin. I have tried walnut based products in the past and it did not do anything on my skin. But this, you guys, the scrub particles are so freaking big. ये face wash नहीं है. This should be a scrub. I will never never recommend you guys to try out this product. It's not that I hate Mama Earth. I have tried out their products in the past. I have tried one of their hair masks and I literally finished it because it was really good and I really liked what it did to my hair. I did not throw this. I used this as a foot scrub instead. If you have this and it doesn't work for you, or in general you have any other skincare product that doesn't work out for you, you can just simply use it as a foot cream or a foot scrub because, you know, phekna kyun and just use it in a different way. I also had a sunscreen from Organic Riot, but I think my mom threw it. I'll add a picture right here so you know exactly what product I'm talking about. So it is a sunscreen and it says it has natural SPF. I don't like the product first because it is very tacky on the skin. It has a very weird smell that does not go away. It feels that you have a layer of something and your face feels very weird. It is though made of natural ingredients, I guess. It is paraben free, free from harmful chemicals and all that. I appreciate that about the brand, but this particular product, which is this sunscreen, I personally don't like it. And upar se it is for I guess 1200 rupees, which is way too expensive for a sunscreen, and wo bhi itna chota bottle, so I wouldn't recommend you guys to get this particular product. Now let's start with makeup. The first product that I have here is from NYX. This is their Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. So I got this illuminator last year in December and I wanted to get this because at that time I did not have any liquid highlighters or illuminators that I could use under my foundation or on top of my foundation, or even use it all over my face just to have that beautiful nice glowy look, and I just can go out without wearing any makeup, if you know what I mean. Something similar to the MAC strobing cream I was looking for, because I did not have the budget to buy the MAC strobing cream. It's expensive, so I was looking for an alternative of that and I came across this one. I thought NYX hai, acha to hoga hi. When I used this, it is one of the most tackiest product I have ever used, and I'm not even exaggerating. This does not want to blend at all. I don't know what's in there, but it just doesn't want to blend. It looks very cakey. It makes your skin look very dry no matter how much moisturizer or facial oil you use before applying this. And if you use this underneath your foundation, it will emphasize your pores, your texture. Your foundation won't blend well. It will not sink into your skin, but it will sit on top on your skin, and that will eventually make your face look very cakey. This product isn't something that I would recommend. I would suggest you to save some money and get the MAC strobing cream instead, because it works well, it blends really nicely, and it looks nice underneath your foundation. It looks nice on bare skin. It does not emphasize any pores, texture whatsoever. Just don't get this at all. Next, I have this foundation from Sugar. It is their Drop the Base Serum Foundation. Again, I have seen a few people raving about this product, and I understand that some product might work on a particular skin type, and it doesn't mean that it would work the same for me. And it is a serum based foundation, so I thought it will give me that really nice dewy look. I even did a video when I was trying out this foundation for the first time, and the first time tha and last time tha when I applied this on my face. I think pigment कुछ ज़्यादा ही है. I don't know how to explain, but it literally feels that I'm applying paint all over my face. And the first time I tried this on camera, I was very excited that wow, this might be my new favorite foundation. And the minute I started blending it, मैंने 1 minute के अंदर I washed my face because it was not giving me that good dewy look to my skin. My skin was looking extremely greasy and oily. It was just not looking nice on the skin. I haven't used this ever since I filmed that video, and I don't know, it just didn't work out for me at all. Next, I have this liquid highlighter from Wally Glow. It was sent to me in PR. This really excited me because I don't have any liquid highlighter which comes in a pen like this. So I don't have any issue with the packaging. The only issue that I have with this is the actual product. The shade I have here is rose gold. I'll be very honest, the color looks very pretty. It will look very nice on the eyes, but once you start blending this highlighter, you'll notice that it has big chunks of purple glitter in it. When I mean big glitter particles, I mean big glitter particles. It does not look nice when you apply this on your face. Again, with this, the consistency is very weird. It dries out your skin a bit. If you apply this on top of your foundation and concealer, it will literally skip your base makeup. It will remove anything that you have underneath, and it looks very patchy, and it will look like that you have a big patch of chunky highlighter on your face. I might use this on my body, but I will never apply this on my face. Next, I have this white eyeliner from NYX. What I don't like about this eyeliner is that once it's dry, it literally starts cracking. It looks very chalky and dry on the eyes. So if you're someone who loves doing creative looks, I wouldn't recommend you get this. Instead, get these Suva Water Activate eyeliners. They are really good, they are pigmented, and they do not crack. This one on the other hand cracks a lot. I did not expect this. I love using the NYX matte black eyeliner, and it is one of my favorites. It has the same packaging, but I think the formula is a bit different because of the color maybe, I don't know, but the white one, not a big fan of. Next, I have this Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Eyebrow Defining Pencil. I got this during the Amazon Beauty sale. I wanted to get a drugstore eyebrow product, and honestly, I haven't tried a lot of products from Faces Canada. Hence, I got this. And what intrigued me the most, that it is very travel friendly. You get a spoolie on one end, and on the other end you get the product. The issue with this brow product is that the consistency of this brow pencil is very creamy. It is pigmented though, you can see it is nicely pigmented. When I started applying it, my literally brow hair chipak gaye the, and that's not something that you want to do. You want your eyebrows to look as natural as possible, and using a product like this literally makes them look that you have done something or you have applied something on your eyebrows, and it looks very fake and it does not look cute. Trust me, it doesn't. I don't want to throw it because I know I can make a lot of use out of this one. Next, I have these two blushes. This one right here is from Flower Beauty, and it is in the shade Warm Hibiscus. This was sent to me in PR. I haven't tried a lot of Flower Beauty products. I have heard that the concealer is really nice. I have one of her lipsticks, but it's not a color that I would wear, so I haven't worn it that much. I really like the packaging of this blush, which made me try out this product. It looks like a very pretty color on the pan, but once you start applying this, it literally disappears. इस blush में एक हल्का सा golden shine है, which I don't mind at all. But जब मैं इसको लगाती हूँ, there's no color on my cheek at all. It's just straight up golden. When I tried this for the first time, it literally looked like मैंने बहुत सारा golden अपने गालों पे लगा दिया, which did not look nice at all. This one is from Sigma. I know some of you might be like, what is she mentioning Sigma? Yes, I of course I'm mentioning Sigma. Personally really enjoy using Sigma beauty products. I absolutely love their brushes. This is one of their blushes, which is in the shade, I don't know, never something. I'll add that on the screen. I cannot pronounce that. It's not a bad blush, but it isn't my favorite. This might look nice on very fair people because it is a very cool tone pink color. If you're extremely fair, only then this color will look nice on you. But if you're around my skin tone, or simply if you have an Indian skin tone, this color won't look nice at all. It is pigmented, it is very buttery, it does not look patchy whatsoever. It's just that this color isn't my favorite. Next, I have this Sugar Cosmetics highlighter. This is their mini highlighter in 03 Metal Medal. I really wanted this highlighter to work because in general I like using Sugar Cosmetics products and the shade looks very pretty in the pan. But once you start applying this, girl, I don't know, pigmentation, where are you? Where are you? This highlighter does nothing. I am literally pressing hard कि मेरे हाथ पे कुछ आ जाए. Now see. Nothing. Like, it's not even there. If you have this highlighter, let me know, is it just me jiska highlighter doesn't work, or you are even facing this issue? My highlighter is broken. For eyeshadow palette, I have this one right here, which is from Lime Crime. It is their Venus XL Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. I talked about this one in one of my previous videos, which was trying high-end makeup products, and I did share that I do not like this eyeshadow palette. The color placement is very off. When I look at the palette, I'm like, kya karu main iska? Also, the colors are not very pigmented, they are very chalky. Once you start blending it, it's all over the place and it's just not a very good eyeshadow palette. Maybe their volume 1 is better. I don't know. I haven't tried that one. I have seen a lot of people talking about that the volume 1 eyeshadow palette is really nice. I really like the Lime Crime Diamond Dew glitters, one of the best glitters I've used, and I would highly recommend you all to get that. I also enjoy using their lip products. They are very comfortable and I really like the consistency, but somehow this eyeshadow palette did not impress me. Next, I have this Color Bar Stay the Day Finishing Mist. I don't have a lot of Color Bar products, so मैं ज़्यादा Color Bar products use करती नहीं हूँ, but I got this during the Amazon Great Indian Sale because I wanted to give it a try, of course, and the fragrance of this is not good at all. It is straight up alcohol. It feels like literally मैं alcohol या sanitizer अपने मुंह पे छिड़क रही हूँ. And जब मैं इसको spray करती हूँ, I'm like, this is not nice. So wouldn't recommend this product at all. So that's it, you guys. These were all the products that I did not enjoy using this year, and I wouldn't recommend you all to get any of these because they are not worth trying and they are not worth your money. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, you know exactly what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to be notified. Also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.